Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you guys. I have not opened this yet. Super excited to do this for you guys. I've been waiting for this to come in for about 2 weeks now because it's been a long process. I'll explain that in just a second. Before we get started into today's video, can you please subscribe to my channel? It would help me out so much and mean the world to me. Also, at the end, if you do decide you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That is linked in the description box below. But yeah, so if you guys would like to see my Louis Vuitton unboxing, then keep on watching. Okay guys, before I unbox this, I want to give you guys a little quick story time. So basically, this, by the title you can obviously know that it's the Felicie Pochette. And I actually purchased this for my birthday. I am turning 25 this year and I just wanted to treat myself to a crossbody bag. I already have my Pochette, my Louis Vuitton Pochette, but that one's pretty sensitive as far as like, you know, I just don't want to like patina it at all anytime soon. So I have to be very careful with that bag, especially because there's a lot of gold hardware on it and it scratches easily. So I love that bag, but I can't wear it as much. But I need to stop telling myself that. Anyways, so I decided to get the Pochette Felicie, and actually this bag I've been wanting for a while now. It was probably between this one and the Saint Tange, but then I got the Saint Tange and I returned it. Anyways, I ended up purchasing this one online, and I was super surprised because it said that it was going to take a couple, like maybe a couple of months to get here, just because the quality or the quantity they have on it is very low right now. So I wasn't expecting to get it as fast as I did, but I did. And so anyways, I ordered this bag, whatever. So it came in the mail. No, it came and I wasn't at home, so they had to take it back or whatever. Like, they were gonna try to deliver again, and then I got a hold of the customer service and she's like, no, you can pick it up from our store, yada yada yada. So then I was like, cool. So then the next day I go to pick it up and they're like, oh no, we sent it back to Louis Vuitton. And I was like, why? The lady told me I could pick it up. And she's like, oh no, we just have to do that. So I was like, okay, which they're not supposed to. They're actually, before they even consider sending it, even though I told them I could pick it up from the store, they should have still tried to attempt to deliver it 2 more times after that before sending it back to them. So I got so upset because I don't live in town or anything, so I had to drive pretty far to go and get this package. So it was upsetting to get there knowing that they sent it back, and I'm like, oh my god, if they send it back, they're gonna obviously process my return right away. And then this is actually out of stock again. Like, I literally just purchased this 2 weeks ago and it's out of stock again. So luckily I was able to call Louis Vuitton, the customer service number. The guy was super helpful. He's like, no, he's like, it'll get sent to us to New Jersey, but I'll make sure that they send it back to you. And then I looked up the tracking and it still said that it was in New Jersey. And this morning I get a knock on the door and I'm like, oh, what's up? And then he had the package. I already knew it was the Louis Vuitton box because of like the way they package their things. They like do this little strip. Anyways, I just wanted to share that quick story time with you. But yeah, this is my little birthday gift to myself and I'm just so excited. I cannot wait to wear this and I'm just excited. Like I said, I'm turning 25, so yeah, I just wanted to treat myself. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So I'm going to open it like this just because it has my address. So you just pull. I get so excited, like butterflies in my tummy. So that's what it looks like. So if I keep looking over there, it's because my flip screen is right there. So it says Louis Vuitton, and they have this option because if you need to return it, you can stick it back. Ooh, baby. Oh, it's like not even wrapped up. Well, that's annoying. Let's see if I can fix it. I'm gonna try to fix it so I can show you guys what it looks like wrapped. So before I do the unboxing, I'm just gonna go over what's in the envelope. So I did write a little birthday note to myself, so let's see. Okay, so that's weird. That's different. Oh wait, no, it's not. Never mind. I thought it was like two. Oh yeah, that's different. Like their envelopes now have like 2 separate pockets. So one for the receipt and then whatever's back there. So yeah, this is my receipt. I'm not gonna really go over and show it, but it just says gift receipt, yada yada yada, my form of payment, and I got it on my smartphone. So you'll receive one of these. And then in the second pocket over here, it says, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials, then packed with the utmost care, following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent contact with oil or alcohol-based substance such as cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, or disinfectant. So there's a little care card, an exchange thing, and an exchange tag. So that's all in there. I wonder if, I don't think they included, oh yeah, it might be on the little tag, because I was about to be like, what? I do keep all of this stuff just because I don't know if I'm going to sell it in the future, if I do get bored of it, or if I decide to return it. So yeah, there's that. Now let's see if they put my little note to myself. Okay. I think they did. Cool. I like writing notes, you know? Oh, they didn't. That's so annoying. Yeah, because I put like happy 25th birthday and they didn't do that. So that sucks, but. Okay. So let's get to the fun part. So let's unbox this. They did a really shitty job at wrapping this. I feel like they kind of like rushed it, obviously. So there's that. Let's pull this open. The best part. Okay. So let's get her out of there. Okay, you guys ready to see it? I'm so excited. And I did a different print this time instead of monogram. Dun dun dun. Truth behold. Oh, that's weird. It's like super tight. Goodness. Here it is. This is the Pochette Felicie. It looks like it has like a vanilla tint. It's so weird. But yeah, this is what the bag looks like. I'm so excited. It has gold hardware that says Louis Vuitton on it. No scratches. I'm just gonna inspect this real quick. Okay, it looks perfect. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, and then let's open her up. It has the rose ballerine. Oh, I love that. And then it comes with the chain, the textile cards, I believe that's what they're called. Pochette Felicie Damier Azur, and then it says coated fabric, so that's both in there. That's great. And then they have the chain. So yeah, I'll take that out in a second. So let's take a look at the best part. I'm excited for this. It's cool because you're getting like a 3-for-1. So you get your card holder, and it has 6 card slots. And then that's what it looks like inside. It doesn't say like Louis Vuitton or anything. Yeah, it doesn't say Louis Vuitton or anything inside of it, so that's weird. I thought it does. Oh, it says it right here. You can't really see it. It says Louis Vuitton right there. And you get 6 card slots, which is great. And then you get this little zip pouch. And that looks like that. This is Louis Vuitton in there. Super cute. I love it. And then it has this little flappiness. Okay. So this is like a fabric right here. It's not leather or anything. And that's what it looks like in there. You have a pocket, and then it says Louis Vuitton. You can't look at this. Isn't this so pretty? I love it. It's like, it looks super white on screen, but really it's like a creamy white, like almost like a vanilla Because, yeah, it's crazy because on the screen it looks super white, but it's not. It's like a cream color. But I still love it. Let's see, so you guys can. And the chains come with these like little plastic covers that you take off. It's almost like tape. Oh yeah, it's like a tape. It's crazy how much this went out of stock so fast. Like, it's insane. Like, this specific print, it's crazy. And the chain just says Louis Vuitton. Sorry, I'm trying to show you guys. You can't really see, but it has the Louis Vuitton logo on both sides. If it stops moving. There we go. So it has it on both sides. Let's go and put these on. Okay, now the chain's on it. I am 5'4". I am a little bit thicker. So, but this is, it goes right at my hip. This is what it looks like. I think it's a super cute summer bag. And I think it'll be cute for the summertime. So yeah, it goes right at my hip. And I think it's like perfect. Just something simple, you know, nothing crazy. Literally just reminds me like of a clutch. I'm going to give it a couple weeks and see if I really, really love it to where I want to keep it. But right now, I'm not like, oh my god, I love this bag. Like, I'm kind of like, yeah, you know, it's super small. I don't know, because I'm thinking I'm like $100 more and I could have got a bigger bag. Or $300 more and I could have got a bigger bag. But I don't know, it's super cute. I'll deal with it. And yeah, I think it'll be super cute for summertime though, like I said. And like I said, I don't have to like take 100% good care of it. I feel like it would be good to kind of just like, you know, not have to worry about, oh, is it going to rain on my Pochette Felice or anything. Like, it has no vachetta leather on it. So I should be good. I'm really excited though. I can't wait to wear it out today. And I hope you guys like that little showing I showed you of what it looks like on me. I'm going to be doing a what is in my crossbody on this hopefully soon. And yeah, I can't wait to share with you guys. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.